This cinnamon ice cream ain't for wimps. Let's make this now and let me know your thoughts at the end. We're going to start with 2 bananas, preferably ripe because they're sweeter. Cut those babies up. Once all the pieces are in a freezer-safe bag, you're going to put those in the freezer overnight, definitely at least 5 or 6 hours, just until they get nice and frozen. This is oat milk that I made myself. I'll share a recipe for it at the end. You can use any plant-based milk. 2 tablespoons about usually works. If you have a blender like me, you could probably add half the bananas, but if you have a food processor, you can add all of them in the beginning. Here goes the almond butter. Again, another ingredient which is just full of nutrition, healthy fats, and showing your body some love and giving it what it needs so that you can feel healthy and strong. I struggled with this almond butter, and here is the star of the show, the cinnamon. I added a tablespoon of cinnamon. If you're really a cinnamon fanatic, you could add 2 tablespoons. If you're a little less on cinnamon, you can add a teaspoon. Here I'm adding the rest of the bananas. And there we have it. Here is the cinnamon ice cream that we've all been waiting for. Mine melted a little bit because I left it on the counter for a few minutes, but you can also make it thicker if you put it in the freezer for up to an hour. It would definitely be more like hard ice cream. This is more like soft serve ice cream, maybe even a little soft serve ice cream. I think you can't go wrong. If you like it soft, if you like it hard, it's all good. I like to play with my food, as you can see, but really I just can't wait to be eating it, and I hope you try it as well.
So did I add too much cinnamon or not enough? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This cinnamon ice cream is vegan, dairy-free, sugar-free, and guilt-free. Also, to make that creamy oat milk in about a minute, here is a link to the recipe. And please subscribe, it would really mean a lot to me.